Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.Exchange. In the month of January, I'm coming to Chennai and I will have a workshop in Chennai as well as in Mumbai. So those who are interested may contact our office. Check the description for details. If you can remember, 2 weeks before I said the Nifty trading 26,000 plus minus. In fact, for the entire series, December series, Nifty has been trading in the range 26,000 plus minus 300 points. And I've never seen such a big consolidation month. Usually, the 5-week month, like December is a 5-week series. Usually the markets tend to be volatile, but this time it is absolute flat. And Nifty, people who have done 26,000 short straddle have been making profit every week on week basis. And in fact, 2 weeks before, Nifty 26,000 straddle was trading around 500 point premium. And now Nifty coming and closing, although we have 2 more trading sessions, the hopes are very, very low, for a significant move, either upside or downside. I think people who have done 26,000 short straddle are the people who have made best possible money in this series. Especially today, why the market fell, actually nobody knows. And Asian markets are mostly okay. Even US markets were higher day before yesterday. And everything was looking okay, but for no reason, GIFT Nifty was indicating 50-60 point down, and here market came under selling pressure, Nifty falling over 100 points. IT index is a major dragger, and HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. So let me tell you one important thing. HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, because of the SEBI rejig, so some exchange traded funds have to sell these 2 stocks in huge quantities. But selling huge quantities might, be disadvantageous for them. So probably what they could have done, so they would have shorted in the future. So maybe in the last 1 or 2 trading session, so they might cover their shorts in future by selling the stock in the cash market alternatively, so that, they will not be losing a lot of money by selling huge quantities. This is how institutions sell huge quantities without, losing money. In that case, what may happen in the last 1 or 2 trading sessions, so these stocks may fall significantly. So that is what I can see. HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank falling, it can fall more in the next 2 trading sessions. So overall, it is just, consolidation. So as I told you, the whole month is a consolidation. Markets are not likely to go anywhere. So any new trend, so the trend will start only in the month of January. At the end of the day, FIIs did not sell much. They sold for a very, very little amount, but still. In fact, day before yesterday, for no reason, TCS has shot up. Now, for no reason today, it has come down. So overall, it's just consolidation, not going to go anywhere. And stock-specific actions, I can tell you, Hindustan Zinc, Hindustan Copper, MCX. So these are all like, proxy play for gold, silver, and copper. So I shorted some quantity in MCX, like I'm just struggling. But still I've made a decent profit. So how much profit I made, probably I can come out with a video. But remember, YouTube thumbnail, we are not allowed to keep thumbnail, something like I made 3 CR, I made 5 CR, I made 10 CR, like that. any thumbnail that shows, unreasonable return, so will be removed by YouTube. In fact, I made a video, making 100 crore is easy. Right? If you actually look into the video, I never promise any, I never say, everybody can make, I said, you make 2% per month and for 30 years consistently, then you can achieve 100 CR. So there's nothing, but then still, how to make 100 CR, the YouTube has actually removed my video. In fact, this video was posted 4 or 5 years before, but now they are removing it. Okay. So therefore, my thumbnail may be different. What I may show inside the video may be different in the coming weeks. So our thumbnail will have to be very, very modest. Right. So otherwise, there is nothing to talk much today. 26,000 in the spot, it has been held. So that is some kind of a small victory for bulls. But as a whole year, 2025, the bulls have not won. It's okay, the people who have invested in gold or silver, they made much more money than the people who have invested in stock market. The broader market is in a big trouble. So mid cap and small caps are not doing very well. I think yesterday I came out with a video. 90% of the stocks have fallen more than 20%. And so that's why, many people say, even the market's going higher, but their portfolio is not growing actually. So anyway, so today is a Friday, so weekend. So Monday and Tuesday, only 2 days for the monthly expiry. So then we will start fresh in the 1st of January. So let us hope market make a kind of a move in the month of January. Meanwhile, India VIX keep crashing. So, I think today is the lowest closing ever since this index was introduced. I think this index was introduced in 2008 or 9. I don't remember exactly. But this is the lowest closing. So means people are not expecting any big move. So that's what I've been telling you for the last 1 month or 2 months. So I'm also not expecting any big move until the budget. So only the budget has the power to change the direction of the market. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.